Morning, folks. JT here. Not feeling so well this morning. Might have something to do with the shots I got yesterday. I don't know. Couldn't sleep. Figured I'd get up, do my laundry. Yes, that's the right time. But at least I get a start on my day. Got coffee going back at the house. I'm gonna head there now. Couple loads in the laundry. It's gonna be sunny, about 53 degrees today. So I'm gonna try to get things done here and start getting packed. We're leaving Thursday. I just wanted to say hello. God bless you all. I thank you for watching our channel. We really appreciate it. Take care. Have a great day.